Hello everyone, Anaga Koka here. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make Mughlai chicken curry. When I say Mughlai, three things are inevitable, that is bhuna masala, desi ghee and yogurt. These three combined with chicken gives it a luscious and lip smacking taste with a great texture. So do check out this video, like and subscribe to Anaga Recipes in case if you like this video. Let's watch how to make this Mughlai chicken curry. For Mughlai chicken, first we are going to take chicken 1 kg or half kg. Done, and now we can serve. So here the Mughlai chicken is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anaga Recipes